Good morning, students. Welcome to online education system. This is the lecture of maths for class 10th, and our topic pair of linear equations to variables. So, students, in this lecture, we'll discuss how to solve the pair of linear equation in two variable with elimination method, or we can say that elimination by equating the coefficient method. In previous lecture, we had solved some questions. Also, in this lecture, we are going ahead. So today's first question is that 4x minus 3y equals to 8, 6x minus y minus 29 upon 3 equals to 0. Solution. So students, here the given equations are equations are first is what? 4x minus 3 y equals to 8. Equation number 1. Y minus 29 upon 3 equals to 0. So from here we will modify this equation like first one, that is 6x minus y equals to 29 upon 3. This is equation number 2. Okay, this is equation number 2. Now what we will do, I will multiply the equation 2 by 3 to make the coefficient of y equal. Okay, so here multiply equation 2 by 3 and subtract by equation 1. Now what we have, equation 1, that is 4x minus 3 y equals to 8, then 6x minus y इक्वल्स टू 29 अपॉन 3 3 का मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, सो हमको क्या मिल जाएगा, यहाँ पर देखो 6 3 जा 18 x minus 3y equals to 29. ओके, अब क्योंकि हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं तो ये माइनस होगा, ये प्लस होगा, ये माइनस होगा, राइट है। 18x टू 4x कैंसिल, माइनस 3y प्लस 3, सॉरी माइनस 3y माइनस प्लस 3y कैंसिल, 4x minus 18x means minus 14x equals to minus 21. And from here what we have, x equals to, ये माइनस से माइनस भी कैंसिल कर देते हैं, राइट ना. सो व्हाट वी हैव 21 upon 14 and x equals to 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2. This is the value of x. Okay. Now इस वैल्यू को हम क्या करेंगे, x की इस वैल्यू को हम इक्वेशन 1 या इक्वेशन 2 में पुट कर देंगे. तो आई एम गोइंग टू पुट इन इक्वेशन 2. So from here, next part, put the value of x in equation 2. Now what we have, 6x minus y equals to 29 upon 3. Okay. So from here, 6 into 3 upon 2 minus y equals to 29 upon 3. So from here, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. तो ये हो गया 9 minus y equals to 29 upon 3. So from here, minus y equals to 29 upon 3 minus 9 equals to minus y equals to 29 minus 27 upon 3, and from here y minus y equals to 2 upon 3. So y equals to minus 2 upon 3, minus 2 upon 3. Okay, yeah, give y की value. So our answer is x equals to 3 upon 2 and y equals to minus 2 upon 3. Don't forget to write the answer. Okay. Now take one more example. Second one of today's lecture is x plus y equals to a minus b and ax minus by equals to a square plus b square. Equation 1, equation 2. Okay. Now solution. Given equations. Equation 1, equation 2. Okay. By elimination method, how we can solve it? So equation 1 into b plus equation 2. What we have? Ax, sorry, we have to multiply with b, है ना? So bx plus by equals to ab minus b square upon, sorry, second equation is what? Ax minus by equals to a square plus b square. As we are going to add them, तो ऐड करने पर हमको साइन चेंज नहीं करने होंगे, राइट ना? सो ये हो गया a प्लस बी एक्स कॉमन, ये माइनस बी वाई और प्लस बी वाई तो कैंसिल, नाउ इक्वल्स टू माइनस बी स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर कैंसिल, व्हाट वी हैव? a स्क्वायर प्लस ab या ab प्लस a स्क्वायर. ओके, नाउ व्हाट वी हैव? x इक्वल्स टू a कॉमन लिया, यहां से क्या बचा? a प्लस b, और यहाँ पर चूंकि a प्लस b का मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा था तो यहाँ जाके क्या हो गया? प्लस, डिवाइड में आ गया a प्लस b. ओके, सो a प्लस बी कैंसिल, पूरे से पूरा ब्रैकेट कैंसिल होगा, राइट ना? एंड फ्रॉम हियर व्हाट वी हैव? x इक्वल्स टू a, x इक्वल्स टू a. So this is the value of x. Now put the value of x in equation 1 or 2 in any, because in equation 1 calculation is less than the calculation in equation 2. So that's why I'm going to prefer equation 1. Okay, so x plus y equals to a minus b. a की x की वैल्यू a प्लस b, सॉरी, प्लस y इक्वल्स टू a माइनस b. a से a कैंसिल हो जाएगा, सेम क्वांटिटी अपोजिट साइड है ना, एंड y इक्वल्स टू माइनस b. So this is the value of y. Okay, so this is the solution. Now let's see one more question. Third one of today's lecture. X upon 2 plus 2y upon 3 equals to minus 1. X minus y upon 3 equals to 3, right now? So from here solution. From equation, given equations, फर्स्ट जो गिवन है वो क्या है? x upon 2 plus 2y upon 3 equals to minus 1. So from here what we have? 3x plus 4y upon 6 equals to minus 1, and from here 3x plus 4y equals to minus 6. This is equation number 1. Okay, equation number 1. Now, second given equation is that x minus y upon 3 equals to 3. So from here what we have? 3x minus y upon 3 equals to 3. So from here what we have? 3x minus y equals to 9. Okay, so this is equation number 2. Okay, so students, we have two equations in normal form, our required form. Okay, we can solve it by equating the coefficient, means to make the coefficient of any variable is same. Okay, so here y has different sign in both the equations. Okay, and in equation 1 it has the coefficient 1, so it is easy to choose y. Okay, so what we will do, multiply equation 2 with 4 and equation 1 and 2. Okay, so equation 1 plus equation 2 into 4, 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो y के कोफिशिएंट हमारे सेम हो जाएंगे, राइट है? Now what we will do, write down the first equation, that is 3x plus 4y equals to minus 6. Now look at the equation 2 and multiply it each term with 4. So 3 4 is 12, 12x minus 4 into y, 4y equals to 9 4 is 36. As we are going to add them, so there is no need to change the sign. Plus 4y minus 4y cancel. Okay, 3x plus 12x, that is equals to 15x equals to 30, and from here x equals to 30 upon 15. So this is the value of x. Okay, now what we will do, put the value of x in equation value of x in equation 2. अब 2 क्यों? क्योंकि वहां पर हम लोग कैलकुलेशन इजी होगी, राइट? यू कैन पुट इन इक्वेशन 1, ओके, और इन द गिवन इक्वेशंस, बिकॉज we modify the equations, no, given equations into equation 1 and into equation 2. Okay, Now, three x minus y equals to 9 equals to 9. यहाँ पर x की वैल्यू पुट कर रहा हूं मैं. And one more thing, there was a mistake. We can solve ना. यहाँ पर x equals to 15 बन जाए 15, 15 टू जा 30 तो 2. So x की जो वैल्यू आएगी हमारी वो क्या होगी, x equals to 2. Now I am going to put the value of x in equation 2. So from here 3 into 2 minus y equals to 9. Minus 3. So answer is x equals to 2, y equals to minus 3. Okay, so this is the solution of equation. Okay, in next lecture we will discuss some more questions based on the elimination method. Okay, thank you very much for watching the video. Stay home, stay safe.